What if I told you your body holds the secret to reversing aging, healing chronic disease, and regenerating organs naturally? Sounds impossible? It's not. It's called stem cell regeneration, and the power is already within you. Forget lab-grown solutions. What if you could activate your own stem cells using fasting, food, sleep, and simple routines? This is real science, backed by Nobel-winning research. Let's unlock your body's hidden regenerative power, starting now. Section 1. What are stem cells and why should you care? Stem cells are your body's master cells. They repair damaged tissue, generate new cells, and restore aging systems. But here's the problem. As we age, stem cell production slows. This leads to chronic pain, disease, and visible aging. Want to stay strong, sharp, and youthful? You need to reactivate your stem cell production. Section 2. Fasting, the free stem cell stimulator. Skip breakfast. Heal faster? Fasting flips your body from survival mode into deep repair. MIT studies showed just 24 hours of fasting can double gut stem cell activity. It works by triggering autophagy, your body's internal cleanup process, clearing old cells to make way for new stem cells. Simple steps. Start with 16.8 intermittent fasting. Try a 24-hour fast once per week. Consider a 5-day fasting mimicking diet monthly. Always hydrate and consult your doctor. Section 3. Hot and cold therapy. Activate repair proteins. Sauna, ice bath, deep breath. Cold plunges and saunas aren't just for athletes. They stimulate heat and cold shock proteins, triggering stem cell activity and mitochondrial repair. Cold exposure boosts brown fat and mobilizes stem cells for muscle repair. Heat therapy increases neurogenesis and longevity markers. Alternate hot and cold, 3 to 5 times weekly for maximum effect. Section 4. Sleep, the forgotten stem cell generator. Want stem cells? Turn off Netflix. Your deepest healing happens during sleep. During REM and deep sleep, your body produces human growth hormone, HGH, a key trigger for stem cell production. Lack of sleep? Increases inflammation, reduces cellular regeneration, accelerates aging. Sleep better by aiming for 7 to 9 hours, avoiding screens before bed, supplementing with magnesium or glycine if needed. Section 5. Stem cell superfoods eat to regenerate. You can eat your way to regeneration. Your diet directly impacts stem cell health. Here are the top regenerative foods. Blueberries. Boost brain cell growth. Turmeric, curcumin. Activates neural stem cells. Green tea, EGCG. Enhances cellular regeneration. Pomegranate. Improves mitochondrial renewal. Chlorella and spirulina. Aid blood and immune cell development. Lion's mane mushroom stimulates nerve growth factor. Avoid sugar and processed food. They damage cells and hinder healing. Section 6. Movement, eater regeneration. No gym, no stem? Exercise is a proven trigger for stem cell production. Research shows HIIT increases muscle stem cell count, resistance training builds repair mechanisms, yoga and Tai Chi boost blood flow and cell migration. Even walking 30 minutes daily improves neural and heart cell renewal. Consistency beats intensity. Just move. Section 7. What's killing your stem cells? Are you unknowingly destroying your stem cells? Even the best habits won't help if you're doing this. Chronic stress, high cortisol, poor sleep, toxins, BPA, heavy metals, pesticides, alcohol and nicotine, high sugar diet, sedentary lifestyle, excessive EMF exposure. Remove the blockers. Your body will do the rest. Section 8. Nobel Prize research, autophagy and cellular rebirth. In 2016, Dr. Yoshinori Osumi won the Nobel Prize for discovering autophagy, your body's natural process of removing damaged cells. What follows autophagy? Regeneration. When you fast, sleep well, and move regularly, your body clears out cellular junk and replaces it with fresh, healthy stem cells. You're not aging, you're recycling. Section 9. Supplements that support stem cell health. Some nutrients and compounds can aid regeneration, especially when lifestyle habits are optimized. Resveratrol mimics fasting effects. Ficetian clears senescent cells. Nicotinamide riboside, NR, boosts NAD plus and repairs DNA. Astragalus root, TA65, may extend telomeres, omega-3s, reduce inflammation, and support immune stem cells. Use with guidance. Supplements enhance but never replace a strong foundation. Your body is ready, are you? You were born with a built-in repair system. It hasn't disappeared, it's just been dormant. The secret isn't in pills or surgery, it's in your daily habits. Every time you fast, sleep deeply, move your body, or choose healing food, you're voting for regeneration, not decay. The power to activate your stem cells is already yours. So the real question is, will you use it? If you found this video valuable, hit subscribe for more science-backed strategies on healing, longevity, and health freedom. Comment below, which method will you try first? Share this with someone who needs to hear. Your body can heal. It just needs the right environment.